Hi, I'm Bill Treiber with Artistic Finishes. Today's vlog, I want to briefly touch on something that has come up with a number of our customers. What is the proper maintenance and care for Enduracor profiles? Now, the thing to remember about Enduracor profiles is that they really are taken care of the same way in many respects as our wood profiles. So what just is that? Well, it starts with a good vacuuming. Use the proper vacuum, a vacuum attachment. Use it with an additional wand that allows you to get into the cracks and any areas that you might have excess dirt. Okay? And then at the end, use a proper wood floor cleaner, one in the proper level of dilution. That should be the case. Let's take a look at that now. We'll come back to it. So you've seen the proper method. What are the don'ts? Well, one of the things that you do not want to assume is that an all-purpose cleaner is something that can go with any of your wood floor and/or accessories. Why? The chemicals. Check the ingredients in the cleaner. Ammonia is not something that we would recommend with most of the polyurethane finishes today. Okay? Use a spray bottle in the proper concentration level, because some of the wood cleaners that you buy actually are in a concentrated form. You may be asked to add water, okay? And where you have those tough spots, use a sponge for extra cleaning power. And then of course always clean up with a dry to damp cloth, a dry or damp cloth. And that's as easy as it gets. Don't overthink it, and they'll take care of you for years to come. Thanks for being with us, and have a great day.